Not just a course, your career starts here. Are you still learning from tutorials, but don't know how to get a real job? That's where most students get stuck. At Exendra, we don't just teach. We prepare you for real industry work. Our Training Plus internship program is designed to help you move from learning to earning. You will start with strong fundamentals, then work on real-world projects, not dummy assignments. And the best part, you get direct mentorship from expert developers with experience from IIT, NIT, and in top companies. During the internship, you will work like a real developer, collaborate on live projects, and understand real workflows used in companies. But we don't stop there. We also provide advanced sessions on system design, project and release management, and even HR guidance, including free resume and profile building. And one thing that makes us different, we provide continuous job consultation until you are placed. Because your success is not just completing a course, it's getting hired. So if you are serious about your career, this is your step. Register now. Limited seats available. Still learning, but no job? No real experience? Training Plus internship program. Mentorship by IIT, NIT experts. Live projects, real work experience. Beyond coding skills. Job support until you're hired. Limited seats. Register now. Exendra.